Hey friends, if Windows dark mode font color remains black, thus making it unreadable, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's what happens. A lot of times in dark mode, all this text becomes black. Now, if it is happening with Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint, then I should let you know that this problem was already resolved long back. And I can even suggest updating Windows to solve it, because you can't defer updates for more than 5 weeks. So this should be solved on your system. But let's say it wasn't, or it was some other app, then here's what all you can try. First of all, restart the Windows Explorer process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for the list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution will be to change the theme. Right click on the Start button and select Settings on the menu. Go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Themes and then try some other theme. Okay, you are using the blue dark theme. Try the red dark theme. Okay, does it help? The next one is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And lastly, the solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.